Hi guys, I'm Khan. Lovely chef Khan. So today we're making bangan, aubergine and potato. So this is 1 kilo, 1 kilo aubergine. That's eggplant, and this and two onions, 3 tomatoes, 1 ginger and chili, and just 4 potatoes, and just some spices. So now let's get started. So now we cut a potato like this, and tomato and chili, and this one onion, garlic and ginger, and this one is aubergine, eggplant, and the potatoes. Potato cutting like this. So now we put inside oil. This is 5 tablespoons of oil, half cup, and now we put inside ingredients after mixing: onion, garlic, and ginger. After mixing, so now look, color change, and now we're adding flax and coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. After mixing, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and now we add this tomato and chili, mixing till tomato mix. And now look, tomatoes melt and oil's coming out. Oil, and now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, half tablespoon salt. After mixing, and now adding eggplant, aubergine. After mixing, we're mixing now. And now we're gonna add potatoes. After mixing, please like, subscribe, share family, friends. I will come in mixing. So now we're mixing. If you subscribe, yeah. Then, and now we're cooking until 10 minutes. After 10 minutes later, it looks, and everything looks yummy, so yummy, delicious, and very nice, very yummy, tasty, delicious. Aubergine is brown, and we make a very nice video for you. And you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. After 5 minutes later, and now aubergine, we check in potato. Potato soft now, and now we're gonna mix it. So guys, now it's done. It's so yummy, so delicious, so tasty. Please like, subscribe, share with your family, friends. Enjoy this video, and now we're gonna try the rest of them inside the cooker. Is so yummy, so yummy. It's so delicious food. My food are delicious. And now we're gonna try. We try now. We try into potato. Mmm, so yummy, so delicious. I love potato. And now we're trying the aubergine, and you must like aubergine. It's so yummy. Mmm, so yummy, so delicious. You love aubergine. You try for everybody. Everybody will love aubergine. It's so yummy, so delicious. Please like, subscribe, share with your family, friends. Enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy this food. Okay, bye guys. Bye.